Hello student, welcome back to the science class once again. I hope you all are fine and you all are staying home. So today we are going to discuss one more topic of the science chapter. Now you all might be wondering, as I am to discuss one more topic, why haven't I written anything here? So today's topic is a completely different one. Okay? Today we are going to discuss about this. So what is this? Now most of you might be wondering, let me bring it more closer to you. What is this? Most of you all might be wondering or might be thinking कि सर हमको बच्चा सोचा है क्या? Definitely not. None of you are kid. This is a lemon, right? And the thing which I have in my hand, this is a marker pen. I am removing this thing and I am just showing this. This is a lemon. So we are going to discuss this only. Now you are thinking that I am going to discuss only about lemon. I am going to discuss what is the taste of it. I am going to discuss what or which thing present in it causes its taste. That means we are going to discuss about ACIDs. We are going to discuss about acids. So what is acid actually? For some of you, it is completely a new topic. But for some of you, you know what is acid. If I would ask you a direct question, what is this acid? Or what have you understood when I have showed you this lemon? Let me go with the property of this lemon. When you will taste this lemon, what kind of taste you will get? You will find that lemon is sour in taste, right? So, which is the thing present in this lemon which is causing this lemon to be sour? It is acid. Now, let us go to a very beautiful scenario. Okay? You have gone to one of your friend's home. Your friend have invited you to a small party, that is family party. Once you reach your friend home, since it's a summer time, so let me consider this situation only. Your friend have invited you, you have gone to his home. Now it's too hot. Now your friend will offer you a cold drink or some juices. After that, your friend have offered you ice cream. After some time, your friend have offered you lots of delicious dishes. As an example, chicken, rice, etc, 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 etc. Now, as you have eaten it, you have consumed a lot. You are not at all hungry now. But after some time, you have been offered some sweet dishes also. Okay? Your stomach is saying that I am completely full. I am not going to digest anything. But your mind is saying that no, since it is too delicious, I have to take it. You have consumed it again. Now, since you have taken something, you have eaten a lot. So, your stomach is going to reply you too soon. How it is going to reply you? You are going to suffer from acidity and indigestion problem. So, in that fact also, in that example also, acid is involved somewhere. When I showed you the lemon, there is an acid present in this lemon. Similar to that, the curd, which is formed from milk, it is also forming because of a kind of acid only, that is lactic acid. This lemon also contains an acid called citric acid. Grapes, tamarind, etc. The fruits which you are consuming, it also contain a particular acid. Okay? So we are going to discuss about that thing. So the first thing, what is an acid? The first question is, what is an acid? An acid is a substance containing H plus ions. Okay? So let me not make it very confusing. Let me start with an acid. What do you know about acid? As I have said you, a lemon is also an acid. Okay? So what thing do you get from lemon? Or what is the taste of that lemon? sour in taste. That is, a lemon is sour in taste. What is the taste of a grape? A grape is sour in taste. Okay, when it becomes ripened, its taste change. But initially, it is sour in taste. What is the taste of a tamarind? It is sour in taste. Right. So, grape, tamarind, lemon. These three, I have given the name of these three, I have fruits. These three fruit, it contains acid. Okay. One is containing citric acid, one is containing tartaric acid, etc. So, what are the tastes of them? They are sour in taste. It contains acid, so an acid is sour in taste. This is the first point that we have learnt about acid. Okay. Next one, how that sour taste is coming. Where from is that sour taste coming? Inside all those fruits. It is because of the presence of acid. What is an acid? An acid is a substance. Okay. Now, where have we read about substance? We have read about substance in the matter chapter. Okay. We have read about a matter in class 5. We have read about a matter even in class 9 also. So, what is a matter? A matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Okay. In that matter, we have read about the forms of matter. In that matter, we have read about the different mixtures. Okay. In that mixture only, we have read about different elements, compounds. So let us not go too deep. While we were discussing about mixtures, we have already discussed about substance even. Okay. I hope you can recall it. If you can't recall it, just see my previous videos. I have explained what is a matter, and similar to that, I have explained what is a substance also. Okay. So, an acid contains H plus ions, or an acid contains hydrogen ions. Okay. This is the second property of acid. I am writing it here. Contains hydrogen ions. Okay. So which hydrogen ions? It is H plus ions. Okay. So this is what an acid contains. In fact, acid, this word itself is derived from the word, Latin word, acidus. Okay. What is the meaning of acidus? Acidus means sour. Clear? So now I have explained you an acid with the help of some fruits. So you might be thinking that every acid is sour in taste. Definitely what you are thinking is correct. But you might be thinking that we can eat or we can drink an acid. That I have never said. I am never going to say also. Okay? We cannot drink every acids. Remove that part from your mind. Clear? So the fruit, okay, which contains acid, we are consuming those fruits. Okay? They are at different kinds of acid. In the further part of the chapter, I will be explaining about some more different kinds of acids which are very harmful for us. Okay? Which we can never consume it. Forget about consuming it. When you will see its purest form, okay, that purest form is very dreadful. Clear? So, what is the property? What are the properties of an acid? An acid is sour in taste. You have completely understood it. An acid contains hydrogen ions. Next one. An acid turns blue litmus to red. This is one more property of an acid. What it does, it turns blue litmus to red. We have a litmus paper. What is this litmus paper? A litmus paper is an indicator, okay, to indicate whether a substance is acid, whether a substance is base, or whether it is a neutral one. Okay. So when we take a blue litmus paper, that blue litmus paper, when you dip it in any acidic medium, then it will turn into red in color. Clear? So this is what the property of an acid is. So what I have explained here, these are the initial properties of acids. Okay? So basically there are two different kinds of acid. Okay? One is a very strong one, another one is a weak one. We can tolerate the weak one. In fact, you might, or the part which I am going to say you now, the statement which I am going to say now is a very interesting one. Some of you knows it, but some of you don't know it. That means it is very completely a new one. In fact, our stomach, which is present inside this portion, it also contains a kind of acid which is called as hydrochloric acid. Okay? Even our body also contains an acid naming hydrochloric acid. Isn't it interesting? It is interesting, right? So we are surrounded by acidic substances. Clear? But some acidic substances are useful to us, right? Some acidic substances are being consumed by us. Clear? Again I am saying not all acidic substances are fit for consuming. Clear? So acid, as I have said you, some acids have very much strength. That is, some acids, they are strong acids. Some acids, they are weak acids. Weak acids, where are they coming from? Weak acids are coming from the natural products. That means they are naturally occurring acids. Some acids which are very strong, basically they are mineral acids, okay, which are obtained from the earth crust only. In my next video, I am going to discuss some more points about an acid. Then we are going to discuss about an opposite of acid, that is base. And we are going to discuss about some of the substances which neither contains an acidic, which neither is an acidic one, neither is a basic one.